Kulimale abantu abane ngesikhathi kudilika isakhiwo eDoornfontein eGoli namhlanje kuseni. Nakuba imbangela ingakaqinisekiswa kodwa-ke abazibonele bathi-ke lesigameko sibangelwe ukuqhuma kwesigubhu segesi, itransformer.
Abantu abahlala kule ndawo bathi babone abantu abangaziwa bezama ukudonsa izintambo ku-transformer negcine iqhuma kwaholela ekutheni kuwe lesi sakhiwo esiyingxenye yesinye isakhiwo esihlala abafundi.
It was early morning, around 5 o'clock. So they said they went inside that place. Maybe they were trying to take the cables. Then the gas tank there, because it was making really, and then too much smoke everywhere. Yeah. And then there was also the transformer there. Yeah. Maybe it was the one that exploded.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo bathi njengamanje basazama ukuqinisekisa ukuthi akekho umuntu ongaphansi kwalemfucuza.
We are not sure whether there are any other people who might be trapped, because our knowledge tells us that we cannot just leave the place with a rubble like that. So we need to make sure that we try and move that rubble, get that rubble moved, so that we can be definitely sure that there is no other people who might still be trapped under that rubble.
Njengamanje abezimo eziphuthumayo basazama ukuthola imbangela yalesi sigameko.